Good evening, you guys, and welcome back to Respawnables. And yet again, it's been so long. We got 25 gold, and we're doing so good, a little bit, but our mission is to get the blunderbuss. So, anyways, guys, let's complete the missions. Now, how am I gonna kill enemies that are currently using a what? That doesn't make any sense, Big Brother. Kill 3 enemies that are carrying an assault rifle using a rookie machine. What? Kill 3 enemies that are carrying. Okay, I can use a rookie machine gun. Wait, what? How did this get back to the beginning? What? I'm gonna confuse this. Whoa, that's okay. So I have to kill the rookie machine gun. Holding a I have to kill one guy holding a rookie machine gun. So I have to kill them. But this gun doesn't do much damage. I don't know. So whatever. I'm doing it. Oh, it's been so long and I haven't played this. And look at that. Do you see that bullet thing? I don't know what it is. It's a rifle gun. Guy? Where are you? That's just the shotgun guy. You guys suck. Oh, I killed one enemy. Oh, what the do? Okay. Oh crap, I'm running health. Guys, I think we need to hide somewhere. No. We are not safe. Oh crap, I'm second. Oh crap, he's got a landmine. 2. Crap, this guy's so strong. I only have 0 health. Jeez. I don't like the ow. Where is he coming from? Is he shooting from above? Yet again. You are now my... Yes! I done my mission. Awesome. Right. Did I do it? Kill 3 enemies that are hiding. Oh, come on. Do you want to... Oh, okay, anyways, guys. I'm just going to pause it. There we go. And go back to menu. Yes. Okay, guys. We finished the mission. What? That's all carrying and that's all using a rookie. Seriously. I don't think... Okay, whatever. Let's go... You know what, guys? I don't know what we're doing here. Like, seriously, I don't know. I do not know what we're doing. Okay, anyways, guys, let's... How are we going to do that? How are we going to run 100 meters? Like, that's so hard. I don't want that. Oh, shotgun guy, we meet again. Shotgun guy always kills me. Like, seriously, that was in the last episode. I'm sick and tired. We both killed each other. Oh gosh, somebody's shooting me. It's coming from the distance. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's just... Oh, I thought it was mine. It was just newspaper. I only got... Is there anyone here? Like, Steam? Are you helping me? Are you helping me? Where are they? I think they're in the red one. Oh, come on, guys, this isn't funny. Where are they? Where is everyone? Where? Oh, come on. Oh, Mike Hunter. I think it's coming from that way. So we're going to shoot Mike Hunter. Mike Hunter, you die. Duh. Oh, come on. You want to die or what? I think time's running. Oh, come on! Don't ruin my health! Can't do that! Wait, what do you want? Like, this machine gun is like, they're heavy. Not today. This shotgun guy always kills me. Like, seriously, I don't like that. You die. Oh no, he threw the grenade! What? Oh, come on! That shotgun guy must be dead. Oh, he's winning because of he's killing everyone. everyone. The shotgun guy is evil. I don't like you being evil. Yes! Tire complete, yes. So, we completed our tire. Now we have to get 50. Wait, does it go up to 100 or 1,000? I'm not sure about that. Maybe it goes up to 1,000. Anyways, guys, we finished the match. Guys, we got a new gun. Do you see that? So exciting. We're going to multiplier, and if we keep dying, we're out. We're out of here. Come on, go to a server, please. Go to a server. Go to a server, please. I want to go to a server. Pick up your gun, please. Hey, don't do that. Don't you do that. Don't you do that. That is not nice, okay? Opening that. Come on, join. Are you gonna do that forever? Please join. Oh, yes. Okay, let's do team versus. Yes. Are you equipped done? Oh. Wait, did we do team versus or team deathmatch? Oh, we did do team deathmatch. Jeez, that does a lot of damage, I think. Nothing. Is anyone around me? Hey, nice machine gun guy. You are. Oh my gosh, this gun. I don't know if this does a lot of damage or not. I don't know. Oh, someone's getting killed. Where are they? Where are they? Oh, it's just my team. Wait, why is everyone coming up? Oh! How do you like that? Okay. No, this doesn't do a lot of damage. Oh, come on, we're so screwed. Ow. Oh, come on. Oh! Oh, what the hell do you got? Oh, no. I don't think this gun is boring. Why? Already. Oh! How do you like that? Kill one behind me. Oh! How do you like that? Okay. Victory! Yes. Oh, yes. Okay. I'm in level 7. Oh! Nobody beats me. Okay, so okay, guys, let's join in. What is that? Oh, we only got 3 teams. Okay. Yes, we're in the pro guy. Okay. I like that gun you got there. That's awesome. Okay, so what? Oh. Thanks for the assist. I'm just gonna camp up here. Some killing my guy. Oh! Jeez! What? I thought that guy. I thought he was. Oh! Okay. Yeah. Oh crap! Oh, come on! This isn't funny. Oh, we're winning! Okay, let's see if we can win then. Come on. Come on. Come on, stop killing me! Okay, this. Oh, we can't do that. That makes you kill. So. Do I hear mine? Not today. Where's that rocket launcher guy? I'm sick of tying him. Wait, did he kill all? He did! He did kill all of them. I think. Yeah. Oh, come on! Oh, come on! Jeez! These are. Oh! This does 3 hits. Is that it? That's not that bad. Jeez. Oh! Come on. I killed someone, then I died, and I headshot. Oh! Oh, come on. We must stop throwing me grenades. I'm sick and tired of it. Every time. Somebody always kills me with a throws a grenade at me. This isn't funny. Oh, come on, I have to reload. Oh! I'm doing so rude. Not today. Die! Jeez, okay. Oh, crap. It's got the bazooka. Jeez! I don't like that gun. Oh, come on. I don't think I'm doing well. But I am, but not quite. Because... Oh, not today. Not today. I'm afraid not today. Oh! Ow! Don't do that. Oh, crap. We're in a bad spot. You have to get out of here. Oh, there they are. Come on. This isn't funny. Oh, hey, bazooka guy. Are you coming in often? Or... This only does 3 hits when you go... What? That monster guy. You monster. Monster. Hey, blunderbuss guy. Jeez. Oh, crap. It's the bazooka. Ow. Oh, crap. It's stranger. Do not like strangers. No! I died! I died when the match is finished. Not fair, dude. Not fair. Yes, I come in second place when Same. Just the same spot. I'm in level... Yes. What did I unlock? Yes, I got the sniper rifle. Yes. Yes, awesome. Okay, no, thank you. I don't want to join one match because I think... You know what, guys? I think we can end this video. So anyways, hope you enjoyed that video. Want to see some more respawnables in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!